Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me Kaiso and today I'm going to show you how to set up VS Code for Python programming in a simple and beginner friendly way. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you why I'm using VS Code. So VS Code is very lightweight, fast and works mostly on any computer. It has a ton of extensions that make coding much easier to work with and it's completely free and open source, which means it can be used in any device. And that's why I think it's perfect for beginners and even some advanced users. Now with that, let's get started. So step one, we need to first install Python. So open your Chrome or Edge or any browser and go to python.org and go to the downloads section. Click on the download Python 1 3.30 or the latest version which is available for you. Click it and the download should begin. I've already installed it, so I'm not installing it again. Then move to code.visualstudiocode.com. I will give its link in the description. And after visiting this, click on download for Windows and the setup will be installed. After this, we need to first install Python for our environment. So go to downloads where you down its location and you click on the setup.exe file. After running the setup, this window will appear. Here, make sure to check these two boxes, and this one more important. It's more important. Add Python exe to Python. You should make sure that Python is added to the environment variables, which will make sure that any command you run in the command prompt gets executed. So after that, selecting these both checkboxes, click install now. All the libraries will be installed, but it will take some time. After it's done, close it and to check if it's completely installed or not, open command prompt and write python dash dash version. And if the Python on your current version comes, it means Python is successfully installed in a system and we can move to the second step of installing Visual Studio Code. You can close this one now. Go to a location where you stored the Visual Studio Code.exe file, run it, agree the agreements, select all these options. You can select this also, but I am not selecting as I really don't use desktop icons. Select all this and make sure add to cart is also selected and click next, install. It will extract the files, it will take some time, just wait. After it's done, select this launch Visual Studio Code option and click finish. Visual Studio Code will be open. Now first we need to make sure that Python is working in this, so we got to install extension. So go to extension tab. This is in the left middle section of square boxes. This is the extension tab. Go to here and in the search box write Python. Go to the Python tab. This Python option. Only it will be made by Microsoft. Make sure it's made by Microsoft because different extensions made by other people also. Make sure which you are downloading is made by Microsoft. I've already installed the extension, so it's saying uninstall for me, but it might still install for you because you've already not installed. So you can now close this tab by making sure it's installed. Now we can move to check if the file is working or not. So I'm going to create a new Python file. Let's name it test.py. Let's save this wherever we want. I'm saving it in documents folder. Creating a file. Let's test it. Rent hello world. Plus a 5 and if it's running Python debugger, Python 5, enter. And see in a terminal the text comes. This means the Python successfully installed in your system and you are ready to work with VS Code. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow and keep creating more videos for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.